Sixth grade social studies, Canva. I'm Jane Seymour, your sixth grade virtual specialist. And in this video lesson, we're just focusing on one website, which is canva.com. And it's so great. You could create videos, brochures, certificates, and more. So I'll show you how easy it is to do, and it is super easy to use. So you go under Canva and you log in, and it's very easy and it's free. And then you can look under templates, and then there's under personal, you can create cards or postcards. So this is great. The postcards are great review for geography. So I just clicked on blue, for example, and then we can click on this one. Oh, okay. And what's great about this is, again, it's already done for you, and it's kind of like PowerPoint. It moves like PowerPoint, but there's so many more things that you can do, so many more templates. But I can move this off, move this to the side, create all that. And it makes it easier for the kids, and then it allows for their creativity as well. So there's that part, the postcards. Then if I go back to the templates, I can look under marketing, I can create posters, I can create brochures. And then under education, I can do certificates. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And I'm just going to choose green. But their certificates are done. You can print them out. They look nice. But the students can use these certificates. And again, you can change them all around. They can type in famous people and why and where were they famous and why are they famous. So this is just a great technique, and it's free, and there's lots of things, lots of possibilities here. That's it. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to contact me. Thanks so much. Have a great school year.